What's up, nerds? Fury Rider roll. As you can see, we are back on the back. We got the mic working because the f***ing GoPro mic adapter finally came in. It's only been like 18 months. I'm also not wearing a jacket because it's kind of hot and it's nice and cool right now. I know it's unsafe. I don't care. I don't really have a particular topic that I wanted to talk about today. I just figured make a quick little video since the mic adapter's in. I also got a new case. I will link it down below. Saw Biking Bird had it and I was like, yo, that's like a brilliant idea because it's got the thing for the mic adapter in there. I fucking hate this construction, man. Yeah, it's got like a pocket for the mic adapter. Works real well, I gotta say. The angle is a little bit weird of the camera. I hope it's not tilted. I think it is. It also looks like the wind is pushing it around because it's kind of heavy, so it's a little flimsy. Gotta figure that out as well. I might need to get different bolts. Gonna have to stabilize software-wise the video. Which, are you f***ing kidding me? First you bust into my lane, going 5 miles an hour, but yeah, I'm gonna have to figure that out. But overall, I'm quite happy I got a mic adapter so I can make regular moto vlogs again. Just me and the wind and road and the Moki cycle. But yeah, super happy. Like I said, there are some kinks. I have a tendency to repeat myself a lot, I've noticed. I don't want to make like, don't you f***ing do it, guy. Yeah, that's right, I'm watching you, dumb f***. Did you see that guy? He was just trying to like run on the road while I was right here. What a dick. Yeah, the roads are looking nice, but like they keep doing stupid shit. Not the workers. The workers are busting their ass, man, and they're making it look nice. But a side effect to the f***ing construction is that nobody knows how to f***ing drive, man. They go 5 miles an hour. They'll just like, they all want to be like traffic wardens, so they'll just like try to stop you. They're like, oh, well, I'm going 5 miles an hour, so that means you have to go 2 miles an hour. And then they'll just like stomp on their brakes. Like right now, they're breaking up the road over here, the middle lane. So that's why they've got traffic going down to a crawl, or stopping it, because they got to take these f***ing big ass machines. When they when I get closer I'll show you, but when they're breaking up all the concrete and dirt and shit, they have to load it into the back of semis and haul it out of here. And so the semi kind of has to get in the middle of the lane, load it all up, like that guy. They load it all up and they take it away. This guy got all fucking butt hurt, man. What do you mean I have to stop? This is ridiculous. I pay my taxes. Dude, it's been fucking hilarious though when you get stuck in traffic, like watching all the people. Cause usually I'm like, eh, whatever, you know? Like it kind of sucks, yes. I gotta be to work at a certain time and I like to get there relatively early, but they've been doing this for fucking months now. So you gotta kind of plan ahead accordingly. And these people get like, oh, hold on. Oh, these people get like super butt hurt and they're like, I did this and I pay my taxes. Yo, can you imagine getting run over by one of those things? That'd be fucking brutal. They're gonna pancake everybody in the goddamn line, brother. You best believe it. We're gonna pancake this whole goddamn town. Yo, that thing that they're using to like make the road right now, it kind of reminds me of that scene from fucking I think it's Return of the Jedi. Don't get pancaked, brother. That thing reminds me of Revenge of the Jedi. Jabba's like sex palace float thing. Strolling around on that all day. Brutal, brother. Oh yeah, I have a friend that started watching the videos, which always makes me happy. Remember to like and subscribe, guys. But only comment when he was like, hey, I saw you're making videos. And I was like, yeah. And he's like, I think the use of brother in your video is very appropriate and I want to see more of it. So I told him when I film this today, I'm gonna make a bunch of fucking brother references. Oh yeah, I know I've got like 8 videos that I keep saying that I'm gonna make and I keep putting them off. But I have one, it's about halfway edited. It's just like, I really miss the traditional moto vlogs because they're so much fun to make. And the one I was doing, like I thought it was pretty, it's okay, it's funny, I like it. I'm not about to down talk my own content. The road's all sticky. It's just not as fun to me as the traditional moto vlogs, just because I mean I've been trying to plan ahead and get things right. But anyways, I got I made a part where Biker Bro has an appearance. He's like, what do you mean, brother? I'm Biker bro. Oh man, Old Man Johnson's real f***ing pissed off right now. Get out of my goddamn lane, you kids. I guess the only thing that bothers me about this construction is that they know, like, they keep doing this shit during rush hour. Like, they know everybody is leaving in town at this time, like leaving up here to go into town at this time so that they can go to work. And they're like, you know what? Instead of just waiting a little bit, you know, after rush hour, let's just fucking do it now, bro. Let's just go for it, right? Like, oh my God. Like, wouldn't that be crazy? And they're like, oh my God, yeah, that will be pretty crazy. Are you fucking kidding me, man? I know I'm basically turning into everybody I was making fun of, but like, I've got to go to fucking work, man. And I left with extra amounts of time, but well, luckily we're almost done with the construction. It just sucks because they've busted it down in one lane. Shit like this keeps happening. And then not only that, but like I said, we've got other people on the road that are fucking idiots. Brush that. Woohoo! Oh, the wind. The wind feels so nice, brother. Oh, yeah, watch yourself, fucking lady. Pay attention next time, you. Oh, you pissed me off so bad my fucking voice cracked, stupid ass idiot. That's the kind of bullshit we have to deal with daily. She didn't even throw her fucking indicator on. What am I, British? She didn't put her indicator on. But still, she didn't fucking signal. She just jumps over, and then when I stare at her, like, hey, you're being a dumb fucking idiot and you could have taken my life, she acts like it's no big deal. Fucking stupid ass people, man. Oh, that shit pisses me off. Yeah, now she's hanging back because she knows she fucked up.
Now you fucked up. Now you fucked up. Now you fucked up. You have fucked up now. Now you fucked up. 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 Now you have fucked up.
And that's the side of me you guys don't see when I get all road ragey. Ow! They're throwing rocks out here, brother. Oh, hey, what's up, guy? Nice, and I'll join you. Brothers united in the right-hand lane. That's another reason why I hate the construction. People get all antsy, and like I said, I am well aware that even though I was making fun of people, I was doing the exact same shit that they did. I did wave to that guy, just so you know. I'm not sure if you saw it, but I did wave. But I am aware that I'm being hypocritical. However, back to my point, these people get all fucking antsy because they're stuck in the lane, and they close down the lane, so they just don't pay attention. Complete disregard for everyone else. I will say this, though. Usually in New Mexico, bad boys! Hell yeah, brother. Usually in New Mexico, I wonder, I'm not wearing my jacket either, so I wonder if the sound will be different. But usually in New Mexico, those guys working on the road, they aren't doing shit. They're just standing around. So not only is it a surprise to see them working constantly, which is why I can't really bitch and complain about it, but also, usually when they fix something here, it breaks within a matter of months, and it has to get fixed again. And so the town is constantly on construction because these guys don't do any work. They do it half-assed because it's government contracts, so the contractors are like, yeah, we'll just take our sweet time, taking that sweet, sweet government money. But those guys, they get shit done in a timely manner, and they fucking do it correctly the first time. The road that they did last summer, it's fantastic. It's holding up extremely well. So I'm really pleased with it. In that case, I'm like, hell yeah. Take your time. I guess their tax is that they're like, hey, we're gonna hold you up in traffic. I washed my pants today too. They're nice and clean. I'm not sure if I said in the last, yeah, one of the videos I was like, oh, I don't wash my pants that often. Well, guess what? I fucking wash my pants. So yeah, yo. 4th of July week, brother. Independence Day, America. Sing Born in the USA all day. Born in the USA, I was born in the USA. Isn't that song like an anti-war song or something? I know that, yeah, I'm pretty sure it was Born in the USA. That song's like about some kid going to Vietnam and getting shot. And then there was like a senator, like a Republican senator in like Mississippi. And he used that in his campaign song in like 81 or whatever year. And he was like, yeah, I was born in the USA. But everybody was like, dumbass. Little musical facts that hold no important value to everyday life. Same with movies. I went and did Geeks Who Drink last week, and that's partially why the last video was just like a compilation of all the stupid jokes. I'd been wanting to make one, but I feel like it was just lazy. So I apologize. It's been subpar. What can I say? Yo, that guy's got a little trailer. Check it out, he's got a little trailer. And yes, I did wave to him. That's also been a big pet peeve of mine lately. I'm like, hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy. And they they don't wave. I guess it's because I'm on a Sportster, bro. I'm like, hey, brother. And they're like, bro, you're not a real Harley, bro. You gotta be on a f***ing Dyna, brother. Milwaukee 8s get a free pass. But it'd be way better, brother, if you were on a Dyna. And I'm like, but I'm on a Sportster. And they're like, get out of here, you f***ing bitch. Yo, we got Waffle House. We got McDonald's. We got Unser Racing Museum. I hate Unser. That street sucks.
Sucks.
Or Stevie T says, it sucks.
Sucks.
I'm still trying voice crack. I'm gonna throw that puberty thing on. I'm still trying. Every time my voice cracks. I'm only 14, guys. Calm down. I'm still trying to get my Stevie T impression pretty good. Apparently, people hate his videos. And I just don't understand why. The dude's funny as... And I didn't censor that one because I didn't say I said yo, rip in peace for my homie Trash. Yeah, I'm feeling good. 4th of July. It's a nice sunny day, even though it's going to get to like 300 degrees by 12 a.m. or 12 p.m. 12 a.m. It's going to get to 300 degrees at 12 a.m., brother. The sun's gonna fucking burst into flames! Isn't the sun already in flames? Shut up! I'm feeling good. I'm feeling like Keanu. Whoa. Whee! It's hot as balls in this helmet. Rip in peace to my buddy Trash. Oh yeah, they're tearing down this building over here. I was driving down this street earlier. Not today, obviously, but like last week. And it was just covered in dust. It looked like the apocalypse. I was like, oh my God, Father, forgive me. This guy's gonna turn without a turn signal. Watch. Watch him. Watch him. Well, we're turning, so I guess that isn't gonna happen. Like, everything's still new. This is my first, I didn't do a test run. Mounting for the helmet, kinda, because with this helmet, another fucking voice crack. With this helmet, with this button. With this helmet, it's got kind of like a weird surface. You know, like that. The surface is like this, you know? It's kind of hard to mount the GoPro thing. The little mounting bracket for the GoPro. Yeah! When I feel heavy metal. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, brother. Oh, it's time, brother. It's time for f***ing Independence Day time, brother. Yeah! Well, brothers, the work day is over, and being a goddamn American, I'm gonna celebrate Independence Day. Yeehaw! I wish I was a cowboy so I could say yeehaw a lot more than I probably should. Be like, yeehaw! You know what? I say it anyways, because fuck labels. I don't even remember what I was talking about. This motovlog doesn't really have a purpose other than I was just testing out the mic. Ooh. 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 Yeah, I got a date. I'm really, really excited about that date. It's going to be fantastic. It'll be a really good 4th of July. And again, back to how I started this video, the construction. Look at tailgating back there. People didn't know what the f they were doing. You know what's funny too is that in this area where I live, there's a lot of motorcyclists that come through because it's a gorgeous area, especially to ride. You got all these winding mountain roads. You can really throw your bike in corners like this, kind of. And so there's it's a really good spot. This back way actually will take you through to Santa Fe. Whoa, dead squirrel. And then Santa Fe is not like Albuquerque in terms, well, there's a lot of reasons why Santa Fe is not like Albuquerque, but in terms of city layout, Albuquerque is very gridded. The Santa Fe is a lot of curvy, windy roads. Basically, if you have Santa Fe is perfect for ADD, but if you have OCD, then Santa Fe will drive you up a fucking wall, dude. But anyways, it's perfect for riding. And then from there you go to all these other spots. I think Harley's, like if you're a part of the Hog, they release like good travel, like really good routes to take on your motorcycle. New Mexico has a couple in there, and one of them I think is through here. And then obviously 66 is behind us. I'll link his YouTube channel, the Great Egret. He passed through here. It was before I started motovlogging. He actually responded to me. I know. It was like a beach biker. I was like, yo! And he was like, hey. And I was like, oh my god! And I fangirled out. But yeah, Great Egret came through here. And he took 66. So it's a really good spot for driving when there's not construction. But a lot of the locals up here, they really hate us biker bros. Like, dude, when I go home, my family will be like, oh my god, all the f***ing bikers passing around up here being dicks. But you're okay. You're okay. Don't worry about it. I'm like, sure, So a lot of these people f***ing hate motorcyclists because a lot of the people that are riding are just riding through. And it's not any one particular kind of biker. There's a lot of Harley bros, a lot of Dyna bros. There's also a ton of sports bike riders, ADV bikers, just all kinds of people. You will constantly see people with their dirt bikes. Hey, brother! And they're just cruising around, having a good time. And so I think it throws people through a loop because they get all pissed off at me. My neighbors make comments sometimes. Not like to be assholes, but like, they're like when I first got the bike, they were like, yo, I don't hear a Harley driving around. I thought you got a Harley. And I'm like, I try to keep it quiet. I want to make sure you guys are happy. And they're like, oh, well, you never rev your engine. And I'm like, yeah, I know, there's a reason for that. And they're like, oh. I'll be like driving around up here, and like I try to keep it at a low RPM. Oh, cold air. My neighbor is my brother. And he doesn't really give a He's also got some really loud mods on his truck. So yeah, they're like, you never rev your engine. And I'm like, yeah, I try to be respectful to you guys. Like, you know, some of them are retired, some of them still work, and pretty much all of them get up at like 6 o'clock in the morning. So I'm like, yeah, I don't want to come home at midnight from doing mischievous biker things all day, brother, and rev my engine. And they're like, oh, but we never hear you rev it at all. And I'm like, yeah, because when I go in town, I rev the f*** out of it. I don't really rev the f*** out of my engine, but every once in a while you gots to. You gotta be like, brum brum. But nerds, ooh. I don't think I've ever made a motovlog that goes this long. I cleaned it recently. She was all nice and shiny. Now she's all fucking dirty, brother. So I gotta clean her again. I am not taking her on the date. I thought about it, because I was like, you know, I want to be cool. Roll up on a motorcycle. Especially a Harley. And she does really like Fury. I mean, how can you not? Look at this bike. But, gonna take my truck. Castle Bravo. That's basically the video, guys. If you like the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button, brother. Smash that bell icon to join the notification squad. Make sure to tash that like button, and leave a comment down below. Tell me your favoriteest, funniest part of the video that made you like laugh out loud for like 20 minutes. Oh my god. And yeah, I'm glad to be back on the back of a motorcycle making motovlogs. I mean, my past videos have been me hanging around the bike, but trust me, I ride Fury like pretty much every single day, especially now during the summer, so it's not like she isn't getting ridden, but you just haven't seen it. But I'm glad to be making content on the back of Fury again. Well, I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Don't get pancakes, brother.